What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here, and today it's Labor Day weekend, y'all. It's hard to believe summer's over. Where'd it go? But I tell you what, we got to celebrate. We got to send it out with a bang. So we're gonna make us some pimento cheese dogs right here on this Blackstone Griddle. They're gonna be so good. I love a good pimento cheese dog. I don't know about you. I love some pimento cheese. Put that on that dog. Stick around. It's gonna be awesome. So tell you what, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here at the Crazy Acres. Ring that bell notification. Give us the video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know you're new here. We'd love to welcome you here. If you've been here, thank you for all your support and love and everything you've been showing us. I really do appreciate that. Oh, one more thing. We have another channel. If you don't know and you hadn't went over there and checked it out, we have Hanging with the Crazy Crew. All the good, antics we used to do, going places, challenges and all that good stuff, used to be on this channel. They are now on our new channel, Hanging with the Crazy Crew. Link to that channel is in the description down below. Oh, and while you're down in that description, if you're looking for any other recipes, they're down there too. So be sure to go over and check out our new channel. Be sure to check out our recipes, and be sure to check out this cook. Speaking of cooking, let's show you some groceries. Fire up this griddle, and let's get to cooking. All right, y'all, let's fire this thing up. Let's go this burner, and this burner. We're gonna leave this one off just in case we gotta slide anything over. But I say we go down to, I don't know, we'll go down to about a medium, low-ish, between medium and low. Let's go there. Now to make these pimento cheese dogs, well, you gotta have hot dogs. So we're gonna use some ballpark bun size. That's right, we're going the big ones there. We're gonna use some bacon. Now we're gonna use this Stars pimento cheese. If you have a pimento cheese recipe you like to use, by all means use it. I just picked up some from the store, nothing big. We're gonna season everything up with some all-purpose seasoning here. I got some Wonder Buns. I have Wonder Buns. And I have some jalapeno peppers. I'm going to put on some of them because I like them. Mine's spicy. And that's it, y'all. It's going to be super simple, but man, it's going to be good. Got some smoke coming off the griddle, y'all. That only means one thing. It's time to get some groceries up on the griddle. Let's do this. Yeah, buddy. Good old bacon. Throw down one more. All right, the bacon's on. Now, let's go ahead and get them hot dogs prepped up. All right, let's get these hot dogs opened up while that bacon's cooking. Now, when I say we're gonna prep the hot dogs, we can't just throw them on the griddle like that, y'all. We're gonna do a little cross-cutting on them. So what we're gonna do is just come across here, little about almost maybe halfway. Just slice them in like that. Come back across like this. Just do some pretty little cross cuts, y'all. Now what that's gonna do is kind of open up that hot dog while it cooks, give it a little more surface area, and make it really, really tasty. So just get all your dogs done like this while that bacon's on the griddle. Ain't gotta be perfect. And man, there's gonna be some good eating here in a minute. Now, while you're doing that, don't forget to come over here and flip your bacon. You don't want to burn it. You don't want to burn your bacon. You want it good and crispy. Get it all flipped. And once this is good and done, we're going to take it up. All right, y'all, bacon's done. We got the hot dogs prepped. So let's go ahead and get the bacon up. We're going to let it drain for just a little bit. And we're going to chop it up here in a minute. Let's get all this bacon up, y'all. Let's lay it right here and let it drain for just a little bit. That simple. Look at that pretty bacon, y'all. All right, let's get the dogs on the griddle. Now we got our dogs all cross cut like that. Let's throw it down here in that bacon grease, y'all. Now remember that seasoning I said I'm gonna use? That's right, I'm gonna season the hot dogs with some all-purpose seasoning. There we go. All right, them dogs are cooking. Let's get this bacon chopped up. We're just gonna throw this bacon up here. We're gonna give it a light crush, a little crumble here. Ain't gotta be perfect, ain't gotta be pretty, just gotta be cut up, that's all. That's about all I'm looking for right there. Let's check on the dogs. All right, let's get our dogs taken up. We fitting to build. Yeah, buddy, he's gonna be good here. There we go. One more thing before we build these dogs. Let's toast some buns up. I'm gonna toast 2 of them up real fast, and then we're gonna build us some Pimento Cheese Dogs. All right, y'all, let's check these buns and see if they're toasted like we want them. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for right there, y'all. There we go, good enough. Let's take them over here and let's build us some Pimento Cheese Dogs. Just that simple. We got to put these things together. We're going to have us a great summertime, end of summer treat. So the first thing I'm going to do, let's go ahead and throw a couple of these dogs up here. Y'all look at that. I mean, that thing is just full of flavor. That cross cut in there, oh yeah. Taking some pimento cheese. Put it down on there, spread it out. Yeah, buddy, that's what I'm talking about. Use as much as you want on these dogs, it don't matter. Get them good in there, there we go. Little crumbled bacon on them, y'all. Make them stand up, make it nice and pretty here. There we go, like that. Little crumbled bacon. Now, I don't know about you, but I want mine a little spicy. Let's throw some jalapenos on there. There we go. Looking good, ain't y'all? Looking good. And there we go. There's your Pimento Cheese Dogs. Man, what a perfect way to end the summer. We got to try these things out. But first, you got to check these out. Y'all check it out. I'm being joined by my good friend TheRetroBen, TheRetroBen. Y'all need something fixed? That's the man to do it right there. Except for cooking. He don't cook. Anything else, he can fix for you. Ain't that right?
That's right.
That's right. So his link down below, his link will be down below. TheRetroBen. Need something fixed, mechanical, electrical, whatever, check it out. Hot dogs, stay here with me. You ready to try this thing out?
Ready to go.
Perfect way to end the summer, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Ain't nothing gonna look like a hot dog. I'm gonna grab this one,
I'll take it.
right here. He's gonna take that one, like he has a choice. Let's try it out. See how, buddy? That's good. Like crunchy bacon, creamy pimento cheese. Getting a second bite, some jalapenos. But that hot dog with that seasoning on a toasted bun, this comes together perfectly. And I mean, it's beautiful. It's almost too good to eat, but it's not. I'm gonna take another bite, but before I do, I just want to thank you for joining us. Hope you had a great summer. A lot of great things yet to come. Fall's coming up, so we got a lot of fall recipes in the works. Ain't no telling what we got going on. So that being said, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you've been here, thank you. And we got to finish these dogs, don't we? Yeah. Well, got to cook another one. We'll see you next time. And there we go. We got our pimento cheese, bacon, our